Let's learn how to make appointment schedule or appointment calendar using Google Calendar. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. We want to learn together how to create an appointment schedule or appointment calendar using Google Calendar. Before I start, I have to mention that this is a paid feature and regular customers of Google using Gmail and regular subscription of Google accounts, which often comes free of charge, do not have this appointment scheduling option. And this is considered to be a premium option. So I have switched to my other account, which I have a proper subscription to access appointment scheduling or appointment calendar. And I'm going to show you how to schedule one and how it's going to work. An appointment scheduling is what we're going to start to do right now. So when you click on the appointment scheduling, the first thing you need to do is giving this table or this appointment a name. This means you can create multiple appointment schedules. You don't have to create a schedule for yourself only under one calendar or only under one name. You can create separate appointment calendars and appointment scheduling. So first you're going to give it a name. I'm going to give it a test. And then you can assign an appointment duration. The duration of the appointment is how long set time you're going to provide for your clients in order to create and book an appointment. So whenever your clients see your schedule for booking an appointment and they click on it, they can choose what slot of the appointment they can choose based on the 30-minute increments. And if you change that to, for example, 1 hour or 2 hours, you see the size of these rectangles or the boxes that people can basically book their appointments will change. Simply right now, based on the schedule we're creating currently, from Monday to Friday, I will be available from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. for booking appointments. And whenever someone clicks on any of these boxes on their own phone, on their own laptop, they will receive a box that they will have to choose what 2-hour increments and sections they're going to choose. Are they going to be booking an appointment from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. or from 11 to 1 p.m. And you can choose and set how the starting and ending time works. After the time increments, we look at the scheduling. Here you can edit and add a lot of things. So right now we have Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday unavailable. We can change these. You can create different time for Sunday if you happen to be available, or you can bring it back to becoming totally unavailable on a certain day. But sometimes you want to create different sections for your availability. So you basically click on the plus sign on the right side and you can have 2 time spots like this for a certain day. So from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I know I'm going to be available for sure, and I know that 5 p.m. is always the time that I leave office and I'm going to be driving, so I don't want anyone to book any appointments. So that's why I'm separating these two, and I'm going to create another availability, let's say from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. for anyone who wants to book an online basically or video call appointment. So when I set that up, the clients will see similar situations like this, and they know that they won't have any option to choose to book 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Next, we do the scheduling window, so 60 days in advance to 4 hours before. So this is allowing clients to book an appointment. What's an example is, for example, if someone wants to book an appointment at 10 a.m. on Monday, they cannot book that appointment at 9:30 because that would not give you enough time to be available at that time. Let's say you're working from home, or you at least need few hours before the meeting to prepare yourself. In that case, you just check this section and you change it. So right now, it's 60 day and available now, but you can create limits and range of appointments for people to be able to book an appointment. Right now, also, people can book an appointment minimum 4 hours before the appointment starts. So if someone wants to book an appointment for Wednesday 4 p.m., they can only book that before 12 p.m. They have to book it 4 hours, minimum 4 hours before the appointment starts, and that is the default section, and it makes sense for anyone who has to prepare any last minute documentations for the meeting. And the 60 days is the maximum, and everyone only can make appointments and schedule within the next 6 days. Of course, you can adjust these to any number and any time you want, but this is what the scheduling window means. So you can look into a lot of different options here. I'm not going to go through every little settings because that's going to take the video a lot longer. But I'm going to go to the important parts. So color is not really important. You can play around with the templates, with the features and how it's going to look like. You click on next. On the next section, you can provide a template for your appointment. This is very interesting and very useful. You can have a photo and name for your basically calendar. You can have a location. Choose a location. If you choose the location of Google Meet, this appointment, whoever books an appointment will automatically be sent a Google Meet link as well. This is an amazing feature for Google Calendar and Google Meet working together. So basically, if you click on Google Meet link, anyone choosing any of these spots are basically choosing to book the online appointment at the same time. So this is very useful nowadays, especially with the commuting and saving time. Sometimes it happens that people book an appointment with you, and for some reason they say they are not able to make it to the appointment, but they're okay to jump on a phone call or a video call instead at the same time. So you know for sure that you have an alternative option of Google Meet always with you. And then there's other different options here. The booking form, you can create forms, you can create reminders and confirmation. These are very useful. You can create a description for your appointment to let your audience and clients know about your services. The booking form is it has different basically files that you ask your clients to provide. It comes with the default of first name, last name, and email, but you can add different items like phone number or other options. I think you can add up to 3 or 4 more options. You can ask them to do the email verification. Now, booking confirmation and reminders. These are also amazing features. You can create an email reminder one day before or add other types of reminders. These are very, very useful because especially with the link to the Google Meet and the Google Calendar, people will have access all at one place in 10 minutes. Of course, that depends on you and however you like to create that schedule. And then you click on finish and you get to this. You have the option of sharing your calendar or open the booking page. I'm going to open the booking page and show you how it's going to look like. And also I'm going to share that with you later to see. So this is what your clients will see, and this is a really, really amazing feature. They can see all your times available as we have set it up. And when they click on one of the appointments, we ask them for their name, their last name, and their email address. They also get the Google Meet added to their calendar as well. So this is a really, really nice, accessible booking calendar. If someone books 9 a.m., of course, automatically this spot will not be available for anyone else right after they book it. At the same time, if you create an event for yourself, like if you go back to your calendar and let's say you have a birthday party to attend to, and you create this, let's say on Friday 6 p.m. I'm going to change that to, let's say 2:30 p.m. So when I save that, I will have this part basically booked as my event. But then when I go to my calendar, I have to refresh this page. The last time that they can book an appointment is 1:30, and then from 2:15, which is the next appointment that I was supposed to get here, but I don't get that here on Friday because I am already busy with the birthday party. So automatically the Google Calendar will sync your appointment schedule based on your own calendar events without showing your client what you're actually busy with. It only shares with them the time. For example, I click on one of the options and I want to share this link. I can share the link to anyone I want to. Basically, I just copy this calendar link. This would be the link to most of the appointment scheduling, so you can see all the appointments or a single booking. Okay, I hope everyone enjoyed this video and learned something. If you have any questions, let me know on the comment section, and see you next time.